It's a new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, tire fill assistant, air conditioning, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.